Okay, guys, so here I'm back with a massive one, guys. I'm back with a massive one. So I'm going to be showing you how you can verify your Vela accounts with your NIN. Yeah, you can verify your Vela accounts with your NIN. So that's what this video is going to be about. Okay, so I've been getting questions like, "Sir Godwin, how can I verify my Vela account and all that?" And recently I've been able to guide so many persons on how to do that. So you can see right here, you can see this guy here was able to verify his Vela account, and I've been able to show some other persons how to verify Vela account, but I've never made a video on that. So because of the questions I'll be getting and all that, I just needed to make a video so that I could actually show you guys how you can do that. And please, if you haven't joined the community yet, please check the description so that you can join my Amazon KDP community, so that you can always get notified whenever I drop updates like this. You understand? Because first of all, I drop these updates in the Telegram channel, and then we get to like discuss some of all these things and provide solutions, and you get to like interact with other persons who are into this KDP business. Okay, so make sure you're joining the community. Please join the community. And also, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. How about now? Please support this channel by subscribing to this channel. So quickly, let me show you how you can verify your Vela account. Okay, so let's dive right into how you can verify your Vela account, and it will still remain Kindle Vella. Yeah. Okay, so guys, before you get to this part, because somebody actually sent me a video, so I actually had to beg someone who I had to guide to make a video of this so I could upload for you guys to see. So before you get to this part, you would have seen your details, your details, everything. So what you have to do is just leave it like that. Leave it the way it is. Leave it as US details, the way you put it. Okay, I click on verify. So what you have to do is to select the country. Now the country that issued your ID is Nigeria, right? Your NIN, you're using your NIN. So you go and look for Nigeria and select Nigeria. After selecting that, you come to the type of ID you're using. You select national identification. Please, you're using your premium NIN ID. Okay, so make sure you go and get it printed out. Make sure you get it. That's the one you're using, your premium NIN. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is you'll be required to put the ID. Okay, by now you would have snapped it and then have it in your photo, your library. So you just require to pick it, then it will take it to your photos. You pick your ID. This is for the front. Okay, I click on save, and then you require to put for the back. You also go to the library and then you pick the back one and you click on save too. Okay, so after clicking that, it's going to take time. It's going to take time for you to verify. So you can see right here it's loading, and boom, we are verified. So this is not going to take more than 5 minutes and you're done. So this is how you can actually verify your Vela account and it still remain Vela. So you can see that it did not take more than 5 minutes and we are done with everything. Okay, so please, if you found this helpful, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment on the comment section and tell me what are the challenges that you are actually facing and you want me to drop a video on that, and I'm going to be here to guide you. Okay, so peace out guys, stay safe.